Hi, it's Michael. On a Sunday morning, beautiful country road northwest of Toronto, and just would like to share an observation about this bike. The heat coming from the engine during the ride on the left hand side, on this side, there is a cooling fan, the radiator. There is a cooling fan, and it blows fairly hot air towards the left shin. And when using riding pants, like a solid riding pants like these, it's okay, it cannot be felt. But when wearing pants like jeans, or on a really hot day commuting to work and just wearing work pants, then the heat can be felt quite strongly. It doesn't seem like the leg would catch on fire, but it is very noticeable. So just mentioning it to take it into consideration for this bike. That's all. Thanks for watching. Michael out.